morning, everyone. I hope you're doing amazing. Me, I'm doing fine. I'm in a rush. I'm taking my son today for an interview. And yeah, I feel so good. But then Daddy, come to Ombe Atujaomba. Say hi to my people.
Hi, people.
So guys, let's pray and then we head out. I want to show you my outfit. Let me show you in a bit. I love being comfortable, and this is the comfiest look guys, look that I achieved. Someone interrupted me when I was taking this video. I love the shoes. Look at my new kicks. I love them. Utabebwa na basi. Ukikuja hii shule si ndio utabebwa na basi?
Ukitokea
amenifanyia amani. Amenifanyia amani. It is now very early in the morning. I think it was around 6. I decided to make some mandazis for my farm so that, yeah, we can get a snack, a breakfast and a snack throughout the day. Good morning, guys. Yeah, perfect breakfast made by me. I woke up early in the morning to make these mandazis for my kids. Look at that. So yummy. So yummy. And my Kenyan tea over there. That's our breakfast for today. Your tooth is gone?
Yes. This.
That one?
Yes.
I will smile. Well, guys, let me tell you something. I don't know even what day it is. Like, ile shughuli nimekuwa nayo. Anyway, hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing amazing. It's currently 10:38 p.m. at night. Guys, let me tell you, I'm hosting. I've been up and down. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Thank God my kids are asleep. Yes, I told you I'm hosting. Mbona naongea hata vitu zenye haziishi. Yes, I'm hosting. My sister will be coming over with her friends. And maybe they'll be here by midnight. I started preparing for this dinner at 5:30. That is the time that I went for shopping. By the way, I wanted to vlog everything, but hey, mkono inachoka. I don't know kama mtaniona from there, so I wanted to vlog everything as I am going to the market and all that, but it was late. And then I needed to come back home, make sure the baby has done the homework, washed him so that the baby. Oh my god, if you didn't know, guys, I have two kids. I'm a mother of two, one boy and one girl, age 5 and 1 respectively. So I went for shopping, came back, and then I started cooking. I've already hold on. Let me tell you what I'm cooking. I'm cooking as per what they wanted me to cook. I cooked ugali. It's already in the jiko, by the way. I've just preserved the heat so that by the time they come, they'll find the meal hot, the ugali hot. And then I've cooked kienyeji greens. Yeah, I think 3 or 4 types. And then I've cooked wet fry beef. Sorry, guys, everything is kept. Like, imagine, can you imagine preparing everything, a meal of about 6 to 8 people by yourself? And then, first of all, I started by cooking for my kids so that they don't wait for me this long. Actually, I'm so beat, I'm so tired. Right now, I want to finish up the dishes, like nikona dishes kidogo here and there. And then from these dishes, and then I take a shower. But then nimepika mpaka sisikii njaa. Like, I haven't eaten anything. I've just taken water and I'm not hungry. Like, I've cooked. Ukiona hata sijashika simu ni film, like I've cooked. So, I don't know. I want to know where they are right now. I finish up with 2 little dishes over here, and then I go. When I'm done with the shower, niende nilale. There's no need of sitting down here and waiting for them. I don't know. By the time I come out of the shower, I'll decide on whether I'll wait for them or not. In the meantime, my kids are asleep too, but they've just seen me here and there, hata hatuja have dinner together. Like, a lot has passed me because this is the time yenye huwa tuna catch up at least in the evening. And then I know my son is tired from school, so lazima alale mapema and all that. Yeah, that's the update. Let me show you the dishes that I want to do, and then I show you the food that I've cooked. I don't know, nasikia tu rezi ya ku open up the hot pots, but I'll show you this is this and all that. And then I finish up and at least I tidy. Oh, and then another thing, I boiled some yams and some sweet potatoes, bought some vanilla cakes, and then I want to do some mandazis for breakfast. I don't know, like nasikia sijui, do I have the energy to do them? But I want to do them for my guests because asubuhi sitaki tuamke and then there is no breakfast. I'm a good host, by the way. If you give me enough time, I can host you well. Tell me when you're coming, what you'd like me to cook. I can do that, by the way. Me love hosting. I love people. Yeah, and all that good stuff. So, guys, let me finish up with the dishes, take a shower. I don't know which first. Should I make the dough? I want to make the dough and then I'll do the mandazis very early in the morning. But then in this, actually, in this vlog, I showed you when I'm making mandazi, but that one was for my kids. Now, this one for the guests. Still, you see mandazis in this vlog. Yeah, the reason as to why you'll be seeing a lot of mandas is because I love making them. Simply because I love making them. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Although the lighting is not giving, it's blurry at night. I don't want to shout too much. Maybe Vasidani, what the hell? What is wrong with that girl shouting at night and all that? People are asleep by then. Yeah, people sleep early. By the even me by 8 or 9. I'm asleep. Like I love sleeping early so that in the morning I can wake up early, prepare my kid to school, and start the day early. So yeah, that's it. What else have I not updated you? Is there anything? Like I don't think so. You'll see the guests as they come. I'm not promising because not everyone is a camera person, but my sister, of course, I'll show you. And in case I don't film them taking dinner, because I know they are tired. They are tired, I know. So, in the meantime, let me stop ranting and yeah, start doing the things. Start doing the things. Oh my goodness, I am so beat, like in my beat, man. I'm so tired. I'm feeling sleepy and all that. So, let me see you guys the viombos as I've promised you, and then what else? I show you the food that I've made. Though I'm not going to open the hot pots. Me, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But I'll be showing you just in case I have something on whatever. Whatever. Let's roll with the mood. Bye guys. I want to wash these two simple dishes and then that's it for the vyombo. Here I have my milk. I'll be preparing tea. Excuse me. Bless you. In the morning. Why am I sneezing? Oh my goodness. And then these are the greens and this is the beef wet whatever. Wet. Dry beef fry. What am I even saying? Aki, I'm so tired. And then I have my ugari over here so that it can preserve the heat. That's all, guys. Look at my kids, they are asleep. I've just covered her with the blanket. Wanakatanga kwenda kulala kwa bed just because I'm not going also. And then my son over here, he's just sleeping. Oh my god. Let me cover him as I finish up with whatever I want to do. And then I shall carry him to bed. I love you, Daddy. Sis, I'm already done with the viombos. All clean. Let me make the dough. But then, guys, me, I don't follow instructions like you measure 1 cup, measure what. Wanna mix everything. Mimi ni yule mtu wa kumix everything in my mandazis. Like na measure tu na macho and that's it. So kama hapa kuna blueband, kuna sugar, kuna lemon, kuna what else? I've put 1 egg and always it turns out so yummy. Let me now use my hand. I mix it now. Guys, my dough is ready. Let me just cover it and then we'll see each other in the morning. It's a bit not too hard and I love my mandazi soft. That's why unaona sometimes umenishikashika but it's not sticky. It's not sticky. It's a good texture. So let me just cover it and then we shall deep fry it in the morning. Adios. Guys, I have showered and I've put my kids to bed. I'm now here contemplating, should I watch a movie? Oh, what do I do? Over here I have a cup of tea. I want to take a cup of tea. Bado tunanyonywa. I didn't take supper, so I know my baby won't have milk. Mtoto wangu amekataa kuacha kunyonya kabisa. Over this long holiday, I'm planning to go home. Yeah, itakuwa holiday ndefu. So when my kid close school, okay, what am I saying? Aki nimechoka. Like when the school is closed, at least I'll go back home and I'll get someone to at least be with my girl so that anaweza acha kunyonya. I've tried all the methods and I work hata kidogo. Right now my sister is still far. They're coming from Kajiado County na ameniambia kwa Rimuru, so I bet should I sleep for like 2 hours before they come, or should I watch a movie? At least I relax kidogo because I haven't had time like to relax kabisa. Tell me why I'm wearing my husband's vest at night. But then me, I'm those people who sleeps na anything yenye ni comfortable. Me, I don't do night dress just because. Hata sometimes nalala na bathrobe. I am that weird. So right now, I have some homework over here. Not my homework, no. Nataka kuvunja remote hapa. Like, I have a homework here. Like, every day, like, I have to go through my son's homework. At least nione venye ana progress, venye amefanya homework and all that. By the time alikuwa akifanya hii homework, I was so busy. So hata sikupata time ya kushika hii kitabu. Now that ameenda kulala, let me go through the book and see what he has done. In the meantime, I'll be taking my tea. Wow, so therapeutic. What else should I be doing? Let me show you. I want to go through this book and see what he has been writing over At least that homework part I have cross-checked. Amefanya vizuri. And let me tell you guys, I'm a proud mother. I'm so happy. So happy because of how my son has been doing in school. Like amekuwa akiperform vizuri. He has been listening to his teacher. Like, why am I even so emotional? I've remembered that I promised him something that I even can't afford. Oh my goodness. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. Yeah, I promised him something. I know it's so bad to promise someone or even a kid. You know, kids never forget. I promised him akipita vizuri, I'm gonna buy him something. I knew it was very expensive. Yeah, no more crying. I promised him something so expensive that he really loves. Like we were talking. I don't know if you have seen in this video, I took him for an interview and he did so well. So well that he came out so bold. Like he was so courageous, like, Mommy, I'm done with the exam. And the teacher told me this boy has done so well. So I was left speechless because he even exceeded all the days he has been in school. He has been a good kid, but kuna zile unasema, okay, okay. At the end of the day, atapass, but not exceedingly. So he made me so proud, so proud. We did like 3 interviews and all of them was amazing. When I tell you amazing, believe me, it was amazing. So these days he has been telling me, oh mom, remember my promise? Remember your promise? And I'm like, yeah, I'm remembering. I'm waiting for your dad to come so that we can be together. And I'll be buying you the gift, but wait, I don't have that cash. Next time, why usipromise mtoi kitu yenye uwezi? Because they never forget. They never forget. Na sasa inanipea pressure. That is motherhood, parenthood. Next time, nijikute. Nijikute. Nikipromise mtoi kitu yenye siwezi. We. Because now, inakupea tu stress bure. And then mtoi haezi sahau. Atashinda tu amekukumbusha. So guys, I never intended to be emotional. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't know what am I even doing with my life. Let me finish the tea. My hair is so bad. I don't know when I'm going to do some grooming and all that. But in the meantime, situgoje wageni. And nikilala, well and good. Nikikaa ni watch a movie, well and good. I'll see you on the vlog as we continue vlogging, right? Have a good night from my side. It's currently, let me check the time. It's 11:40. Let me see you on the next one. Love you. Good morning, my people. I finally made my mandazis for the guest, and yes, I prepared some also some sweet potatoes, some yams, and guys, finally meet my sister. Yeah, my look-alike, my twinnie. I love her so much. Look at that. She brought me some tomatoes. Where this will take me a long, long, long way. Also, she came with some onions. Who doesn't love a house that has those kind of vegetables? Like the necessities. She always comes through. Like she thinks like a mother. She brought me some onions, some tomatoes, and also some flats. She brought me some sandals, some cute, cute sandals. And finally, it's now time to leave. It's still in the morning, but they left early in the morning, not so early, it was around 9. They were going somewhere for a function, and yeah, I loved hosting them. Thank you guys for coming. I loved hosting you. And yeah, my people, see you on the next video. Mwah.